Hello, I'm Hollis from CompleteSalonSupply.com, and I'm here to show you our Belvedere 403C vacuum breaker kit. This is a genuine Belvedere kit. Includes a genuine Belvedere 403 vacuum breaker, which is now plastic and has plastic nipples. It also includes the nuts and washers, the receiver plate with the gasket and mounting bracket, and the crossover hose to attach it to your faucet. Now, to install this on the bowl, first you need to mount it to the receiver plate. You put your washers over the nipples. Now note the in and out marked on your vacuum breaker. You want this facing out on your receiver plate so you can tell which way to install your hoses once you get it installed. Now you put your nuts on and screw them down snug against the receiver plate. I'll snug these up. Now you can place your gasket over your receiver plate, and I will usually go ahead and install the crossover hose at this point since it's easier to get to out from under the sink. Now this will go on the nipple marked in. This comes in with your water supply from your faucet. I'll tighten this up. Snug it. Alright. Now we'll go install this onto the shampoo bowl. Now, I've got this bowl turned upside down so you can see what you'll be doing since most of it goes on the bottom side. You place your receiver plate through the hole in the shampoo bowl with your hole facing forward. Now you take your bracket, slip over everything, and line it up. Make sure your screw hose lines up. You take a screw, start in the hole, tighten it with a screwdriver. And repeat this for all 4 screws. Now your crossover hose will attach to your water outlet on your faucet. Screws in there. And snug it up. Insert your shampoo hose through your receiver plate. Hold it there. And it will attach to your other nipple on your vacuum breaker. And there we have it. Your shampoo bowl with the Belvedere 403C vacuum breaker.